In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your HubSpot email notification settings to their default configuration. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to streamline your notifications, this guide will walk you through each step smoothly. To get started, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This is the first page you'll see when you type in the HubSpot URL, which is a central hub for accessing all HubSpot's tools and information. Once you're there, look for the login option on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed to access your account. It's essential to make sure that you're using the correct login credentials associated with your HubSpot account to avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This area serves as the launchpad for managing your business operations through HubSpot. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different features available if you haven't already. This will be helpful as you navigate through this process. Next, you'll want to locate the Settings button, which you can typically find in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on the Settings option will open a new page that displays a variety of customizable preferences. This is where you can tailor HubSpot to best fit your business needs. Within the Settings menu, look for the tab labeled Notifications. Clicking on this option will direct you to the Notification Preferences page. It's here that you can manage how and when HubSpot sends you alerts, whether it's for new leads, task reminders, or important updates. By customizing these settings, you ensure that you're receiving the right information at the right time, minimizing distractions while keeping essential alerts front and center. Now, you might see various notification types listed, each with its own toggle switch. To set all email notifications to their default state, simply locate and click on the Off option for each category. This will revert them to HubSpot's original default settings, which were designed to offer a balanced flow of communication without overwhelming your inbox. Keep in mind that you can toggle these settings back on or adjust them individually anytime you need more specific alerts. After you've made your selections, it's a good idea to review your changes to ensure everything is set to your preference. If everything looks good, no further action is needed, as HubSpot will automatically save your settings. With your email notification settings now optimized, you're better positioned to manage your interactions and focus on what truly matters. And that's it, you've successfully set your HubSpot email notifications to default. Remember, adjusting your notification preferences regularly can refine your workflow efficiency as your business evolves. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.